Hello friends, welcome back to Block Tribe. In this video, we'll be learning about the first step of the Truffle series, which is the prerequisites, which is to install npm and Node.js. So moving ahead, what are the installation steps? So the first thing which we need to do is we need to hop on to Node.js org, and what happens, we see it says download for Windows and x64, and it says LTS and the current version. So LTS stands for long term support. Basically it is used in case of old applications, so it gives you users long term support. You can also use the current one. So let me go ahead and download the LTS. Until it downloads, let's wait for it. Okay, so to download it, we will just go ahead and click next, and we'll click next. Yes, and so now we see that installation core node.js.runtime, and yeah, so it is pretty easy to install Node.js. But what happens is, with Node.js, the npm manager also comes with it. Now you just go ahead and install, and let it install. I'll show you. So once we install, right, once we finish it, now when we go to suppose cmd and you write node-v, so you see that we get version 18.17.1. so this way we know that we have installed Node.js, and also we can write npm-v. So we come to know that we have installed a 9.6.7 version of npm. So this is how you install Node.js and npm in your system. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more.